Where Hall 7.1 had felt industrial, purposeful, dense, serious, Hall 8.1 felt closer to a mall. Booth layouts resembled consumer stores more than exhibition stands. 3D printed shoes dominated the floor, clearly holding the title of hottest consumer product of the show. Around them, 3D printed lamps, accessories, objects that made the technology feel immediate, accessible, and part of everyday life. Seeing the full breadth of what FDM 3D printing has become in the consumer goods space makes one thing clear. This vertical is probably the greatest growth driver of additive manufacturing in the region. But Hall 8.1 was not only about polymer extrusion. Other technologies were well represented, ceramic 3D printing and micro 3D printing among them. A reminder that this market runs deeper than its most visible applications suggest. A few international companies, Lithos, Steinbach, Markforged, to name a few, were present too, staking their ground in a region that is increasingly difficult to ignore. What also emerged clearly was a shift in how manufacturing capacity itself is being conceived. The idea of accessing industrial AM without owning the infrastructure through platform-driven distributed models is already being implemented at scale. 2 halls, 3 days, and one overarching reality. The Asian AM ecosystem has developed its own logic, its own pace, and its own measures of success. The context in which it operates is built on different foundations, different priorities, and a different relationship between manufacturing and ambition.